Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family, and I'm starting dinner. And tonight we're having a green chili and cheese chicken and rice casserole. I have boiled 2 chicken breasts and I let it cool enough to handle, and I'm breaking it up into chunks, nice sized little chunks. And I'm going to start putting it together. It's so simple. You can use a rotisserie chicken if you want. You can use, actually, if you want to, you can use canned chicken. I'm going to go ahead and spray my baking dish with some nonstick spray. And I'm going to set that right here while we mix everything else up. I have the 2 chicken breasts. Now I'm going to put in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to get that put in and stirred together. I have 1 can of diced green chilies. This is a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. I'm not going to drain them. These are mild. If you want to use hot, go right ahead. Then I have half of a cup of mayonnaise, and we're going to put that in. And I have a cup, this might be just a little bit over a cup of cheese. Now you can use cheddar cheese. This is a triple cheddar blend. And we're going to stir all of this together. See, it's that simple. Now here in my rice cooker, I have cooked my rice. I need 2 cups. So I told you this is going to be one of the simplest and most delicious casseroles that you've ever put together. And if you buy rotisserie chicken, it's going to be even that much more simple. You can buy rotisserie chicken and possibly get 2 meals out of it. Okay, so we have that combined. Now, what I'm going to do is in the bottom of my sprayed dish here, I'm going to put 2 cups of this cooked rice. We're just going to spread it around. You know, we like rice. We love rice. And you know, to make it even easier, you could use minute rice. And I have seen in the grocery store where they have some already prepared rice that all you have to do is pop in the microwave and heat up. It comes in a little container, and you can get jasmine rice, white rice, and hey, use that. Anything to make it easy. Now we're going to put this mixture right on top. Looky there. Ooh. Now I did not put any extra salt in this because that cheese is salty. The soup is salty. Now I think what I'm going to do is I think I am going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on the top. Looky there. How beautiful is that? Can you see that? How long have we been doing this? And less than 5 minutes, and we've got it put together. Looky there. Now, I have breadcrumbs. Now, I had plain breadcrumbs, and I seasoned them up with some parsley, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. But you can buy seasoned breadcrumbs and keep them. They're delicious. And so we're going to sprinkle that right on top. Let's spread it out. And we're going to moisten it. Now, from that chicken that we cooked, and if you use the rotisserie chicken, you can use a box stock. There's nothing wrong with that. I have a half a cup of chicken stock. And I'm going to pour it on top of these breadcrumbs and moisten them. And that's it. This casserole is done. And it is ready to go in the oven. Preheated 375, 30 to 35 minutes until it is golden brown on top. Our casserole is ready, and I'm ready to take it out of the oven and give it a try. I want you guys to see it. Let's get it out. It smells so good in here. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I want you to see this. Looky here. See how golden brown that is on top? Oh my goodness. And you see it steaming right there? It's going to be so hot. I don't know if we can try it yet, but we're going to try. All right, so let's dip out some, okay? Oh my, oh, it's bubbling. You see the rice and the chicken and all that cheesy goodness right there. Oh, can you see all that? Yes. I'm excited about trying. I haven't made this in a while. I sliced some tomatoes. Now you can make a salad to go with this. That would be wonderful. And that's all you need. It's got your rice, your chicken, and there you go. Tomatoes I put on the side. What more do we need? Let's give this a try. Let's see if we can. Oh my goodness. Y'all. That chicken, the rice, those green chilies, that flavor just comes through. It's not overpowering. It just gives it an amazing taste. And you've got the breadcrumbs, that soup that's in there. You know, and this is so easy to put together on a weeknight. All right. I've got to go feed Mr. Jones because he's going to enjoy this tonight. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for joining me tonight. Come back again and see me soon. Bye, everybody.